Wilsonville, qualification 14. Blue Alliance elevators up, and they score a coral. Red Alliance elevators up, and it just ends up on the floor. Blue Alliance with another coral. That's 1425, error code 0. Let's see if they can get that third one up, and it doesn't quite go through their robot. And the humans take control of the robots. Aimbot over on the red side of the field, sticking a coral up on that 4th level of the red reef. Cyborg Seagulls looking for a good place to put that coral that's in their robot right now. They decide to settle for a level 2 on the backside of the reef, and they score it. Their alliance partners Aimbot just missing, but it does go down onto that level 1, and they'll return back to the human player station to grab another coral. Over on the blue side of the field, lots of defense happening over here. 1425, error code 0. Having some battle for space on the field with Beavertronics, while their alliance partners, AO5 Annex and the Beta Blues, go over to the other human player station to load some coral onto that reef. Beta Blues lining up to the blue reef alongside AO5 Annex, and there's a collision with error code 0 as they all figure out where they want to go on the field. Beta Blues still with a piece of coral ready to score it on what looks like the first level of that reef. And AO5 Annex is going to do a little dance around them as they try to figure out where they want to go. Over on the red side of the field, a good amount of coral has been scored on that level 2 by the Cyborg Seagulls, and they are lining up for what looks like the 3rd level on that red reef. Their alliance partners, Aimbot, lining up to that human player station. They have got it, and they have a coral moving over to the backside of the red reef, and they're going to try to score it on that level 2. They do make it stick with 30 seconds left in this match, 77-39 in favor of the Blue Alliance at the moment, but you never know what happens in these matches. Aimbot moving over towards the red barge. Their climber is deployed, and they are going to line up and try to pull that deep cage up into the air. And Beavertronics just getting lodged on a piece of algae, but it looks like they are still in the barge zone. So let's see if that's going to count for points at the end of the match. And error code 0 up in the air. Good, plenty of space underneath their robot. And Cyborg Seagulls move over to the red barge. Looks like just at the end of the match, 59-70, Beavertronics just got them the score of 99-49, and 5 out of the 6 ranking points. Walking away from that match with the auto ranking point, the barge ranking point, and 3 ranking points for the win.